y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is April and I would really love it if you will stay with me and subscribe. So on today's video, I'm going to show you everything I purchased at Dollar Tree as well as Family Dollar, and it's going to be mostly Christmas decor or just Christmas items in general. So if this is something that you would like to watch, then continue watching. Okay, so starting off with Dollar Tree haul, I did take everything out the bag just so it saves us time and we just ignore all that bag noise. So yeah, so the first thing I purchased is this gorgeous mug from Dollar Tree, and it's very cute because you can also gift it as well. It has like to and from, and then it's just in a box, and it's just really protected if you want to gift it. But I gift it to myself for my coffee or your hot cocoa or your tea, whatever you like this for. But I just thought it was really cute because it kind of reminds me of like a, I don't know, like a sweater. I don't know, that's why I really liked it, and that's why I purchased this. So let me just go ahead and take it out the box, see how big it is. Oh, and it's pretty big, so that is very, very cute. I like this. I can't wait to put my coffee in here or whatever is it that you drink. But yes, got that at Dollar Tree for $1. And then as well, I picked one up for my daughter, and this is the snowman, and it has like a penguin in here. But I thought that was cute. And then as well, we picked up some socks. And one is a snowman and the other one is a reindeer. I thought these would be very cute and cozy to wear around winter time. And I also picked up some reindeer moss. And that is because I'm going to be doing a DIY with that. And then I also picked up some peppermints, as well as a decorative tray. But I'm going to be using this for my peppermints. I'm going to be putting them on here. So next thing I got is this floral foam. And I will also be using this as a DIY with the reindeer moss. And then as well, I got one of these headbands, and it has the snowman. Super cute. And no, it's not for me, it's for my daughter. But I just thought it was cute because she can wear it like to school and things like that for Christmas. Okay, moving on because I think I'm liking it too much. Okay, now I picked up some stockings at Dollar Tree, and these are so freaking cute. Look at this. I got two of these on the same look, and then I picked up this one. And I also picked up this one. As well as this one. and these are super cute. They're a little bit on the thin side, but that's okay. So $1 for each one of these, and that's a steal. Okay, next I picked up 4 of these chair covers, and these are just Santa hats. And then, so let me go ahead and I already have one open, and it looks like this. Here's the top part, and it looks pretty big. And these were $1, so that's a steal. And all you do is just put it over your chair like that. And it's just a giant hat, Santa Claus hat. I thought that was cute. My daughter actually picked that up. And then I also purchased these 2 Christmas trees. I picked those up because I'm going to be using these as a DIY as well. So stay tuned for that video. Alright, so moving on to our Family Dollar haul. I picked up a stocking, and this is the Minnie Mouse, or is it Mickey Mouse stocking? Yeah, it's Minnie Mouse because she has her bow. So a Minnie Mouse stocking, and this was $3 because my daughter didn't want one from the Dollar Tree, because at Dollar Tree they don't really have that much. Well, at my Dollar Tree anyways, they didn't have any kids stockings. So yeah, that's why she got one from Family Dollar. And then next I also picked up these lights from Family Dollar, and these are the 200 clear mini lights. Okay, and then I picked up all these ornaments. Actually, I picked up 5 because they were only $1 each. So the first ornament I'm going to show you is the birth of Jesus. And this is breakable, so I will be careful. And then next I got is this bell. And then the next one that I picked up is this heart. It's just a red heart. And it's like metal-like. I think it is metal. And next I picked up this, what are these birds called? I just thought they were so cute with 2 birds and the trunk of a tree, and it feels actually real. It's just very detailed, and I liked it a lot. So I picked up one of these, and then I also picked up the reindeer. So that was 5 of those. And then I also picked up, and I stopped picking up. Stop saying I also picked up. Saying that too much. Okay, so this 15 feet garland. We're going to use this as snow. Since we live in Texas, we rarely get any snow. So when we decorate, we like to make fake snow or whatnot. So we thought this was close as snow, that it was really cute. And I got 2 of those because I had already bought some last year. So we're just gonna have more this year. And then I also have this tree skirt, which I thought it was really, really cute because it kind of reminds me of that farmhouse decor look. And I just like the plaid of it. And this one, they actually had 2 different kinds of tree skirt, like farm decor tree skirts, and the other one was just red and black, but this one has gold in it, which I really, really like because that's kind of my Christmas decor actually. So it has gold, and I just really like it. And it has like the finish bottom part here. It's brown. It's just really, really soft and nice. big it is. It looks pretty big. Perfect. Love it. And then last but not least, I love you this pillow. This is Merry Christmas to you. And that's going to go into my living room decor on our couch. And this ran for $10. And that is it. Alright, sadly this is the end of my video. I don't know why I always want more stuff in my bag, but so yeah, that was my Dollar Tree Family Dollar haul. Let me know what was your favorite item. I think my favorite item is gonna have to be, I don't know. I really love everything. I love the pillow to the skirt. So I'm just excited for the Christmas light to decorate, and the smell of peppermint and pine cone, and I just can't wait. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can keep updated with my videos where I'm going to be doing DIYs. I'm gonna decorate my Christmas tree. I also want to bake like cookies and stuff like that. So yeah, so stay tuned for my upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Thanks guys.